Hello my friends, hope you're doing well and on top. For a while I was away from YouTube and I couldn't upload any video on my channel, and I am so sorry for that. So now I am back again and I will continue my activity on this channel as usual. Today I am going to talk about XAU against US dollar or gold spot against US dollar. For the next week, what does gold will show up? Let's go straight to this chart of gold. It's a time frame 1 hour. Let me switch the time frame to 4 hours. Here it is. Well, let's start from this top. The most historical price of gold is right here, around 2,150. When the gold touched this high, touched this ever high, it was followed by a shadow, a time frame 4 hours. And then we saw a coming down price in gold till here. Right here. Yeah, around 1980. At 1980, we have double bottom right here. You can see here. This is first bottom, and this is another bottom or second bottom, which followed by this big candle and pulled gold to the above. This is our double bottom. Then gold rises up till here, around 2090, and then the price threw down by this hammer, by this red candle to the down, and this is our support resistance. I mean here, 2015 to 2018. This is our support level. And when price is coming down, by first touch of this zone, again goes up till here, till this zone, and then coming down, and the second touch to this zone, we can see in the second touch, we can see the penetration of the price right here. This is the penetration of the price. This is the penetration. Yes. What is the meaning of penetration? Well, when we talk about penetration, meaning that all the orders below this zone, have been taken by this candle. And so, what is the result then? So, if the price after this penetration, the price followed by this green and growing candles. So, when that price again comes down, this zone will no more be a good support for the price. And as you can see here, through this red candle, all the orders below this zone and below these two candles have been taken by these two candles. These two red candles. Why? Because in the second touch we have penetration of the price. We have the penetration of the candles below the support zone. So let's move forward. Till now, we have two very important zones. One is here, 2150. Second one is here, 2090. The first one has been touched only once. Oh, this is the first touch. The second one, 2090, has been touched only once. So this zone is a valid zone. If the price comes up, this zone will be a resistance on the way. What about this one? 2060. Well, in 2060, first, let's go back and talk about it. Well, right here, when the price touches 2090 for the second time, then price comes down. And when it comes down, around 2060, on the way down, gold has a rest. And then for the second time tries and then break the zone to the below. Now this zone is a flip zone, 2060, and in the back to the above, when price tries to go up, touches this zone, 2060, and back to the down. Why? Because for the first time when price is coming down, this zone rolls as a support area, and when this zone breaks to the down, it flipped to what? To resistance zone. And now this is a resistance zone, and let's count the number of touches to this zone. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 touches on this zone. If the price, now the price of gold is 2035. If the price tries to go up, well, 2060 will not be a very good and rough resistance on the way of gold, and easily it can be broken to the above. But before that, we have a resistance zone here, right here, around 2042 to 45. This is a zone, this is a resistance zone on the way of gold. Well, if the gold not able to pass through this zone, then the gold will retrace till here, first, till here, right here, for the first time. It will retrace till here, and then if this zone break to the down, the second target for the price will be right here. This is the first target, and this is the second target. Well, this will be the second target, 1988. And if the price of gold comes below 2000, it will be the opportunity for the sellers that's the gold looking for lower lows more than this zone. For example, prices like here, 1940. The price will look for some targets around here, 1940. So this analysis is at time frame 4 hour. Now let's switch to 1 hour. This is 1 hour. Well, price in the last days hit 2041 and then coming down and tries to retrace. So on the way we have this zone. We have this zone for the gold to hit here and again back to the above. Time frame 1 hour. We expect that gold retraces still here. Well, around 50% of the Fibonacci. Fibonacci retracement levels around 50 and 38.2, around here, and then go back to the above. This is our prediction. Not about 2042. Around again touch this zone. So we have 2 procedures here. First, now let me switch the time frame to 15. So it is more likely that gold, when one day the market opens, the gold have a touch, have a pullback to this zone again around 2040 or 2041 again, and then pulls the price to the down till here. Well, this is the best direction for the gold, and we can set our sell position right here. Short position right here around 2040. This will be our stop loss. This will be our stop loss, and our take profit will be here. Well, risk to reward will be 4, and it's excellent. This is the very routine direction for gold. This is our prediction that gold follows this direction. A pullback to 2041, then coming down to 2028, and then again pulls, and then again pulls up. Pulls up. Well, my friends, this was an analysis of gold at time frame 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 hour, and 15 minutes. I hope that you have enjoyed. If you haven't subscribed to my channel since now, please subscribe to the channel and wait for upcoming contents. Have a good time. See you soon.